Hello everyone, welcome to the course of Fundamentals of IoT, in short FIOT. In today's class, we are going to learn how to work with lists in Python. Okay, so for that, first let us open Python IDLE application. Okay, so once we open the Python IDLE application, okay, so let's see how to create or work with the lists, okay, uh, in this particular editor. Okay, so for that, let me create a list. Okay, so I'm taking like a version called fruits. Okay, so I will be making a list of fruits. So for that, fruits is equal to open square bracket, okay, under quoted one. Let's add some list of some fruits. First one, I am adding apple, okay, comma, again under quotes, some orange, okay, comma. Let me add two more fruits, some banana, okay. Let's say another one is mango, okay. So this is the list I have prepared. Let's see whether this particular whole setup or the particular whole line is accepted as a list by the Python or not. Okay. So right now we have taken an example like a group of fruits and we are listed in this particular manner. Okay. Now press enter. See, now it has gone to the new line. Now let's see whether this particular fruits called variable assigned to which particular category. Okay. Let's see the type. Type, okay, in brackets, we need to find out whether that fruits has been taken as list or not. Okay, so fruits, okay, type enter. See, the class has been taken as list. Okay, so we have now prepared a list of fruits. Now let's see the length of fruits. So that means apple, orange, banana, mango. We have added four fruits, right? So it need to be length of the fruit should be somewhat 4. Okay. So length, len, length will be written by len in brackets of fruits. We need to know length of fruits. Okay. See, as we have entered 4 different types of fruits, it is showing the length as 4. Okay. Now let's see how to fetch one by one fruit from the list. Okay. Let us say I want to see what fruit is there in the position 1. Okay. So let's see. Fruits, square bracket. Okay. You need to write like this of position 1. Okay. So in the first position, what is there? See, always what you need to remember is apple will be in the 0th position. Orange will be in the first position. Banana is in 2nd position. Mango is in 4th position. Don't assume that apple is in the first position. Okay. So apple will be in the 0th position. So as we are retrieving the fruits of first position means orange is in the first position. Okay. So fruits of 1, let's type, let's see whether it is correct or not. See, orange. Suppose I want to retrieve what is in the 0th position. See, 0. Let me see whether we are getting apple or not. See, apple. Now, let's try to append or add an extra fruit into the list. Okay. So, appending and fruit to list or item to list. Okay. So, how to add or append? What we need to write is fruits dot append. Append means adding. Okay. Let us say bracket open. Okay. In the quotes, some pear fruit. Okay. Press enter. Now, let's see the fruit has been appended or not. For that, what we need to do is just type fruits and press enter. See, apple, orange, banana, mango, pear. Okay. So the fruit has been added. Okay. Now let's see removing an item from this particular list. Okay. So let's remove orange. Okay. So removing and fruit from list. Okay. Let's see how to remove. Fruits dot remove. Okay. Let's say under quotes. Let's remove orange. Orange. Okay. Type enter. Okay. Now, in order to check the list, what you need to do is type fruits. See, apple, banana, mango, pear. Previously, it was apple, orange, banana, mango, pear. Okay. Now, as we have removed orange, okay, orange has been removed in this particular fruits list. Okay.